of illegal structures being brought down by the Anambra State Physical Planning Board in Onitsha. The chairman of the State Physical Planning Board, Mr. Chike Madueke, says those who decide to test the resolve of the Anambra State government by challenging the quest to maintain sanity in the state will not be spared. In a massive demolition exercise in Apaka and building materials market in Po, it calls on landowners to always get relevant approval before embarking on any project. It reminds the people of Governor Soludo's mandate to deliver a clean, green, prosperous and livable state, adding that apart from the destruction, the defaulters will be charged to court and even sent to jail.
Land speculators have gone in to take over the land and start building without having the title to the land, without getting approval to build. In this state, the law is that whatever you want to build, you must come to the Fiscal Planning Board so that we will check a lot of things, including the fact of whether you are the owner of that land. Here we are in the building materials market. If you look, you will see that this is a well-planned market. The buildings have enough setback from the road and from the high tension. But the traders on their own volition have taken over the setback, building under the high tension.